Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a vintage dining booth that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's start with our dining table with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place 3 2x4 flat tiles as shown. Then I'm going to flip the tabletop over. I'm going to take a 2x2 parabola dish. I'm going to take a 1x1 nose cone, place it right on top, and a stud. I want to make 2 of these, and I'm going to place these inside these tubes for legs. For our bench seats, start with a 2x6 plate. I'm going to place a set of 1x6 flat tiles on top of the studs. Then I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to take another 2x6 plate. I'm going to have this hanging over by a set of studs. Now in this lip, set down a 1x6 brick and a 1x4 brick right on top, followed by a set of 1x1 bricks with 1 stud. Then I'm going to crown off all these studs with a 1x6 flat tile, and on these a 1x6 flat tile to complete the bench seat. Now we can simply take our table and our bench seats. Now we have a nice vintage dining booth.